So this was I guess this will be a part 2 of my exhaust video, and it's just a muffler delete, resonator delete. What's up, what's happening, what's popping? It's your boy Hayes here, and I'm just driving to work this morning, listening to the car. I don't think I could have asked for anything more with this car, or with this exhaust, to be honest. For the price I paid and for the sound I get out of it, I don't think I could have asked for much more. Now, I apologize for the angle. It's not the best. Yeah, the angle's not the best, but bear with me. This is just more for the sound of the car. I'm not gonna wear a GoPro on my head, that's for sure. I'm just not gonna do it. People always like to pull out in front of you. But anyways, I am 100% happy with this exhaust. I want to put a downpipe on it, and I want to hear what it sounds like, you know, pretty much fully open up. Now, the last thing, I guess it'd be I don't know if that's a mid pipe right there, but there's one more resonator right before the downpipe that's left, pretty much before the car's pretty much in a straight pipe. I don't think I'm gonna go full straight pipe unless I just YOLO it, and it's just for the lulz, just to hear what the car sounds like. But as the car sounds right now, like, I'm happy with it. Like, there is minimal drone for sure. There's little drone. There's drone around like 3,000, 4,000 RPM. But normal driving, me just normal cruising around, nope. And then there's like these little slight crackles in between shift. Oh my goodness. Sounds so badass. Like, when I first heard it and I got in the car, like, it was such a, like I've never modified a car before. I've never had a modified exhaust on anything. I've never, was able to modify any of my cars. This is honestly the longest car I've ever had. Like, I've had this car for like a year and a half, a year now, almost, yeah, probably a full year and a few months. And this is the longest I've actually had a car. So me hearing this and this isn't even an aftermarket exhaust, like, it's just a resonator delete and a muffler delete, something that someone, every day can just go get done. And I hear every day, people throughout my town, with their Mustangs and shit, and even just their V6 Camaros and V6 Mustangs, like, they literally just, they just have their mufflers deleted, and it's, oh man, it just opens it up. Like, the little V6 Camaros, they don't sound good. Like, the other day, like, I dusted a V6 Camaro, and he was in front of me, and I dusted him. But anyways, yeah, just me hearing sound out of the back of the car, like, it was such a weird, surreal moment to me. Like, I was like, oh my God, like, what the fuck am I driving? Like, I don't feel like I'm driving a Type R anymore. I don't. It's just amazing. Like I said, I couldn't have asked for more. I really couldn't have. And it's crazy. There's construction this morning on the way that I thought wouldn't. So here, listen to these downshifts. I just can't get over it. Can't get over them. But anyways, I am happy. Just at a standstill. Obviously, the car is dead quiet, and just under throttle. Under throttle, you can hear it. Like, look, this Jeep next to me is fucking loud. It's literally like I think they just cut off their exhaust. Like, I don't think they finished it. He actually just cut it. Construction, man. Construction. But anyways, let me know if this, I know this angle is pretty crap. The next video, the angle will not be like this. It won't. I have some clips from yesterday morning of me driving, and I think I'm gonna put some of those clips in. It was kind of wet, and so I wasn't able to get a proper pull, but this morning I think I'm gonna try to get like a little, like 2-3 maybe just probably a quick 2-3, and just so you can hear it. The car actually whenever I'm under power, you can't tell. I can't tell that the car has an exhaust or anything. The car sounds exactly how it did stock. So we'll see if the video can do any justice. Some of them downshifts ain't spicy. I can't hear the turbo anymore. My stock exhaust is louder than my turbo now. Before, all I could hear was turbo whistle. Now I can't hear shit.